Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Hello friends, I'm up and about now. I had a very early day. I woke up earlier than usual, but I got a lot of stuff done. I edited Vlogmas. I also did the thumbnail and it's all uploaded ready to go before like 10 p.m. I feel really accomplished, but I need to go grocery shopping today. So I got a little bit ready, put on a cute comfy outfit. Also did my makeup, did my makeup. All I did was concealer, brows, lip, and mascara. So not too much, not really a full face, but I put my hair up in a ponytail, wore a cute outfit which I can show you. Let me back it up here because I am extremely tall. So this is my outfit. I would show you in the mirror, but I have my camera on a tripod, so I thought we'd try this way. But this is my typical going out grocery shopping, running errands outfit. Some leggings, a sports bra, and like a jacket, hoodie, sweatshirt, anything on top. I have a belt bag, and you can't see, but I have some white sneakers on. Should I just angle it this way? Trying all the angles with the outfit today. Let me just hold the camera like this. So here is a look at my outfit. Let me tell you where all the details are from. This hot pink hoodie jacket is from Target. I got it, I think, in April before I went on my trip. This is the jacket that I wore to the airport and the jacket that I wore in the Philippines. It's like a light material, so I don't know if I would need like another jacket on top of this. I don't know how cold it is outside, but I have an airy workout set, so they're crossover flare leggings, which are my go-to. And then this hot pink bag is from Target, I think. So Target, airy, and then my shoes, I have no idea. They're just white sneakers. I'll link my outfit details, but honestly, this is just like what I wear a lot of the time. I'm also walking there, so that's why I have just some simple white sneakers on. I have a grocery store right down the street from my apartment, so I just walk there, pick up a few things, and then walk home. I'm hoping my walk isn't too cold, or else I would need another jacket, but I usually get quite warm walking down the road, so hopefully this is good enough. I don't know. I mean, I do live in Southern California, but I'm a cold person. Like if I step outside and it's like windy and cold, I'm like, no, I need to layer up. So I hope this is good enough. So I just need to put some stuff in my bag, grab my grocery bags, and then we can head off. And I'm not going to take this camera with me. I'll just vlog on my iPhone and then transfer the footage there. But yeah, I thought we could go together. So I'll catch you when I get back from grocery shopping and show you my grocery haul. Back home, turned on my lights, put the groceries down, but I'm going to change first before I put everything away and show you what I got today. So I changed my clothes. I just threw on this oversized t-shirt that I got from Target. You saw it in my Black Friday haul. It's just so comfy and cozy. And does anyone else put on comfy clothes as soon as they get home? Because I do. I was already wearing comfy clothes, but I'm in even more comfier clothes. So now that I am all comfy and cozy, let me show you my grocery haul. Here are the 2 bags that I brought home. I'm going to put everything away, but first let me take it out and show you. You're a little dirty there. Let me clean you off. have everything that I bought. I brought my water bottle with me because I get thirsty walking there, but I put it at the bottom of my bag, but it's nice and cold from the frozen foods. Also, I know I went to Walmart, but I take my Trader Joe's like frozen bag and it keeps everything nice and cool. And yes, I do go to Trader Joe's and take this, but it's handy to go any grocery store. I didn't really like organize it that good, but I'll just share with you everything that I got. I love that I put the bread in the sink because I don't have a lot of counter space. So I got some rice-a-roni. This is just good for a burrito bowl. I got the ingredients for that. So I got some rice-a-roni in the, what is this? Cheese flavor. And then I got another can of corned beef, and I also saw some Philippine brands there, so that was fun. Okay, let's start with the frozen. I got 5 pounds of tater tots. These are just great for like the morning time. It's quick and simple. When I first get up, I pop it in the air fryer with my obsession at the moment, which is these egg, sausage, cheese, and potato burritos. I have that with ketchup a lot of the time. And then for like quick lunches, since I've been editing when I get up, I just bought these bacon cheeseburgers that I can pop in the microwave, as well as like deep dish pizza. My goal was to get quick and easy foods that I can warm up, so I don't have to like worry about it when I'm like editing in the afternoons. And then I got some french fries to go with the hamburger. Then I got some ingredients for burrito bowls one of these nights. So I got some ground beef, some shredded cheese, guacamole. I got some onions because I don't like cutting them myself, so I just buy them pre-cut. Also got some sour cream and some shredded lettuce. Then I got some biscuits. These are just fun and quick for like breakfast or lunch. And then I got some extra creamy whipped cream because I'm obsessed with putting it in my chocolate. And then I got dessert, so I have some cookie dough. I've been loving this chocolate chip cookie dough. I can like finally bake cookies in my oven. I sometimes eat them raw because you can, or bake them in the oven. And then I found the Christmas tree sugar cookies, so I can't wait to bake that for like one of these days in Vlogmas. And then I bought a little packs of chips, so sometimes when I'm editing I get hungry, so I just grab one of these, and it has all my favorite like chips. This is what I gravitate towards when I buy these bags, but now it comes with all of my favorites. So when I saw that, I was like, yes. I'm obsessed with grilled cheese, so I go through this quite a bit. So that was my grocery haul, just quick and simple stuff. And I'm gonna go out again. This is just like my weekly thing that I do, so now I have to put all of this away. So I ended up putting everything away, and I grabbed a snack. I'm just gonna have these fruit snacks. I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. They're from Target, and they're just like quick, easy snacks. So I'm gonna go sit on the couch and just browse on TikTok because I'm really tired after I get home, after I put everything away. It's relaxing time, so I'm gonna go do that. Hello, since you last saw me, I've read majority of the book that I'm reading, so did that, and now it's time to cook dinner. I laid out all my ingredients here, so if you've watched my vlogs before, you probably already saw this, but I'm gonna make a tater tot casserole. I used this whole entire 2-pound bag of tater tots, some fake ground beef, mixed veggies, some cheese, and then some cream of mushroom soup. And this is just a pre-dinner snack. It's what I eat while I'm like fixing my dinner. This is the Pyrex that I use, and I'm just going to cook this first and then I'll put it all together. You'll just see, but I love this meal. I usually make this about twice a month. It's really easy, so I just pop it into the oven, and the leftovers I can eat for days, so it's really good. So once I prepare it, I have like meals for the next like 3 or 4 days, which is always handy because since now I'm editing and busy a lot, as you know, then it's good to have like dinners that I can just like heat up. This is the pan that I cook it in, so I just spray some oil, and then I'm gonna add the mixed veggies. Then I turn the oven on, so first the light, and then I put it on 400. So I'll let the oven preheat. tonight's episode of Girl Dinner, I made my tater tot casserole. So, is this still classified as girl dinner? I believe it is. Who would eat tater tot casserole at like 11 o'clock at night? So, I'm going to eat this and then watch some Vlogmas videos. That has been my routine every evening. I also have my giant thing of water right here, so I'm going to have that with dinner. I love this dinner so much. It's one of my comfort dinners, so I have it now for the rest of the week. So like I can just put it away and then warm it up whenever I want to. So that's what I love about this dinner. Plus it's so good and easy to make. So gonna enjoy this, and then after I finish dinner I'm going to continue reading. I'm filming a reading vlog, so I have to get back to that. So yeah, that is my evening. Did we take a bite out of it? I forgot to do that with you. So really good. The tater tots got all smushed, but it's okay. And then the top is nice and crunchy. It's advent calendar time. We're gonna do day 5, and thankfully it recorded today so I can insert my dad's advent calendar now.
Here we go, advent calendar, day 5. We'll look down here and find number 5 if I can find it. I found 4. I forgot where 5 was at. Now I gotta find 5. There it is. Goodness sake. There we go. Here's day 5. Push out what it is. It looks like it's some kind of, I don't know what that is. Let's see here. Let me look at it. Looks like a boot. I guess it must be Santa's boot. So here goes. I'm gonna eat it. Let's see, it's still recording. Yeah. So here we go. Okay, time to say goodbye to day 5. We're gonna go to day 6 tomorrow. Advent calendar, take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now it's my turn to do day 5. So mine is, where's mine? Over here. So let's open it up. Ooh. Oh, mine is an ice skate. There. Oh, yours is a Santa boot. Mine is an ice skate. So we got shoes today. Yum. And that is it for our advent calendars today. We'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye, everyone. Say bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Day 6 coming up.
So it's quite a bit of time later. I thought I would wrap up Vlogmas day 5. It's already 20 days till Christmas. How did that happen? The only reason I can keep track is my Christmas countdown in the living room and in the bedroom. So speaking of the bedroom, I decided to call it an evening in here today. So I was reading my book. I am 50% of the way through A Curse for True Love. So I got distracted with that. So I didn't end up editing this Vlogmas video or the thumbnail like I usually do after dinner, but I was enjoying my book. But I did import the footage besides this one right here, so the end clips I haven't added in yet. I'll have to do that tomorrow, and I feel like I need to head to bed, take off my makeup, put on some pajamas, and call it a night because I woke up really early just to get things done and then grocery shop. So I had a very busy day, and I didn't really sleep that good last night, so hopefully tonight will be better and I can get a better night's sleep. I do hope you enjoyed me going grocery shopping, showing you my grocery haul, showing you my favorite comfort recipe, and just chilling with me for today's Vlogmas video. So that is it for Vlogmas day 5. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 6. Bye everyone! Good night, Christmas tree!